Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Another Love on electric guitar. Let's begin by breaking down the main riff. This iconic intro uses an arpeggiated pattern, primarily on the G string, starting around the 7th fret. You'll want a clean tone with a touch of reverb to capture the song's melancholic mood. Practice the picking slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Focus on smooth transitions between each note for a fluid and expressive sound, building the foundation of the song. Next, let's look at the chords and strumming. The primary chords for the verses and chorus are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. You can use either open chords for simplicity or bar chords for a fuller sound. The strumming pattern is generally a series of downstrokes, with subtle accents on the first beat of each measure. Focus on maintaining a consistent, driving rhythm to support the vocal melody. Now, let's explore the lead melody parts. While not a traditional solo, there are expressive melodic lines throughout the song. These are often simple, single-note phrases that mirror the vocal melody. Focus on adding emotion through subtle vibrato and well-placed bends. Pay close attention to dynamics, varying your attack to play softer and louder, which truly brings the melody to life. Finally, let's discuss your tone and some practice tips. For the iconic sound, aim for a very clean amplifier setting with minimal gain. A touch of reverb and a subtle delay will add depth and atmosphere. Practice regularly with a metronome to solidify your timing. Most importantly, listen closely to the original recording to capture the song's emotional nuance and feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.